Today we're working on some problem solving skills, so we're going to read through the questions and then go through step by step on how to find the solutions. So, for the first one, 3 friends each measured their height. Their heights are 4 feet 10 inches, 4 feet 9 inches, and 4 feet 7 inches. Use the clues to determine the height in inches of each person. Elliot is taller than Jorge, so that makes Elliot either number 1 or number 2, and Jorge either number 2 or number 3. Nicole is 3 inches taller than the shortest person. So looking at these measurements, the shortest person is 4'7", so to be 3 inches taller, she would have to be 4 feet 10 inches. So I'm just going to write that next to her. 4 foot, and 1 dash indicates foot, and 2 dashes indicate inches. Elliot is 57 inches tall. Okay, so what the facts that I know are the clues listed above, these 3 sets of clues. And what do I need to find? The height of each person. I can use logical reasoning to find the height of each person. So first I'm going to convert their measurements. 4 feet times 12, and then I add my 10 for the 10 inches. So 4 times 12 is 48, plus my 10 inches is 58 inches. And I said Nicole was our tallest person at 4'10", so Nicole is 58 inches. Well, I know that Elliot is taller than Jorge, so Elliot has to be next. So Elliot would be 4 feet 9 inches. So I do 4 times 12 to get my 4 feet into inches, and then I add on 9. So then I do 48 plus 9, so Elliot is 57. Oh, and they just told me that, so that matches. Elliot is 57 inches. And finally, I have my person that is 4 foot 7 inches, so 4 times 12 is 48 again, plus 7 gets us 55 inches. Jorge is 55 inches. Check, is it reasonable? Since all of my answers match the clues, the solution is reasonable. Nicole is 3 inches taller than Jorge. Elliot is taller than Jorge, and Elliot is 57 inches tall. On the back side, we have 3 dogs are sitting in a line. Rocky is not last. Coco is in front of the tallest dog. Marley is sitting directly behind Rocky. List the 3 dogs in order from first to last. So I know Rocky does not equal last. Next, I know Coco in front of tallest. And then Marley is behind. I'm not going to write the word directly, but it is directly behind, which is important. Rocky. All right, I need to find the order of the dogs. I'm going to draw a picture. Of the dogs, and then label them based on the clues. So I'll do my best little dog drawing. You got little eyes. Kind of looks like a cat when I make the nose pointy, but I'll draw little doggy ears and some little pupils. That'll be my first doggy. And honestly, I'm just going to draw all the dogs the same. I don't know if I like a circle nose any better. That's okay. So I have my 3 dogs. So, looking at my clues, I know Marley is behind Rocky. So Marley is either here or here. So I'm going to label this Marley, question mark, or Marley, question mark. He's got to be one of these two dogs. So that means, well, Rocky can't be at the end, so this can't be Rocky. And so that Rocky is either here or Rocky's here, because Rocky cannot be last. Then I know Coco is in front of the tallest dog. So Coco cannot be here because that dog's not in front of anybody else. So Marley is the only one left. So if Marley's here, I know Rocky is directly in front of him. So Rocky has to be here because that's directly in front. Marley's directly behind Rocky. So finally, I know this can't be Rocky. It has to be Coco. And does that go with my clue? Coco is in front of the tallest dog? Yeah, doesn't matter if Rocky or Marley is taller. They didn't tell me that. So I know Coco's in the front. Marley comes last. And Rocky's in the middle. 1, 2, and 3. Is my answer reasonable? Well, let me check. Rocky isn't last. Correct. Coco is in front of the tallest dog. Doesn't matter who's tallest, she's in the front. And Marley is behind Rocky. Marley right behind Rocky. Yes, because it follows all the clues. So in the description below, I'm going to have the answers to some of the problem solving pages on the next page, front and back. I know it's kind of challenging, so feel free to ask questions on our class Google Classroom page, or I'll have some video conference times and you're welcome to ask me questions then. Just try your best and then check your answers once you're done.